If you are selling with Printify, especially during the holiday season, you are leaving money on the table if you are not including thank you cards within your orders. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily design a thank you card with a QR code and how to set that up in Printify so that it's synced automatically. The thank you cards will go out with every single order. This tiny card can massively boost your sales this time of year and all throughout the year. So if you're ready to turn one-time buyers into more and more sales, then this video is for you. So here's the truth. When someone buys from your store, that's the most excited they will ever be about your brand. If you don't take that moment to connect with them, to invite them back, you're missing out on basically free money. A simple card that says thank you for your order with a QR code on it that has a discount that will take them to your store or maybe to social media or to your email list. This is how you turn a $30 order into a loyal customer that buys again and again. So let's jump into how to make one. So you're going to come into Printify and then you're going to come to the side toolbar and go to store settings, and you're going to come right here to branding. Now, if you want to, you can start designing within Printify, but I'm going to show you how to make one within Canva so that we can add the QR code. But if you want to just get one in there right away, then you can do it this way and then work on the Canva one. But you are able to change it to any color that you would like. You can add text from over here. You can use their templates and switch these around if you want. You can also upload here. There are graphics over here. You can use any of these within your thank you card. They already have some thank you templates done for you. So I just wanted to show you that, but I like the Canva way because we're going to be able to add a QR code to it. So let's jump into Canva now. But before we jump into Canva, I want to take a look at the card dimensions. So it's 6 by 4. This way we know how to set up our canvas within Canva. Now we are in Canva. We're going to come to custom size here, 6 by 4, and make sure it's on inches. Create new design. They even have a thank you template already done for us, which is beautiful. And then when you click on it, there's more options over here. So for time purposes, I'm actually going to just choose an already done one and add to it. But you can make your own from scratch if you'd like to. Okay, so I'm going to go with this one and I'm going to change this to for your order. And then I'm going to copy this and I'm going to say enjoy 20% off, and I'm going to be putting a QR code here. Now, before we get the QR code, we need to go to our Etsy shop, and you're going to come to marketing and then sales and discounts. And we're going to come here to promo code, and right here you can pick the percentage off. So I'm going to say 20%. You can choose if you want an order minimum, and the duration, I'm going to say no end date. And here you're going to type in the promo code word. So I'm going to use enjoy and then continue. You can choose all listings or select listings. I'm going to do all listings, review, and confirm. Then you're going to copy the link. Now back in Canva, we're going to go over to apps down here, and we're going to type in QR, and QR code generator should come up. And it's this one right here. You're going to paste the URL here and then generate code. And here it is. So you're going to bring this down. You can make it smaller. And I do need to add in the code word enjoy. So instead of curving this, I'm going to make it straight and then duplicate code enjoy. And you can add whatever else you would like to this. I just think the simpler the better, so that they automatically see the QR code and it's going to take them to your Etsy shop or to your social media, wherever it is that you want to drive them to. Now we're going to save this. We're going to download as a JPEG, download. And then we're coming back to Printify. Remember, store settings and then branding. And now we're going to choose start designing. And this time I'm just going to upload from my device. Make sure that it is not going to be cut off. It needs to be within the dotted lines. And then you're going to click Save Product. Make sure that this is turned on, and now it will be synced up. Now I do want to make it clear that it is 15 cents per insert, 10 cents per insert if you have Printify Premium. I find this very worth it because it's going to bring you more orders to your shop. So the 10 or 15 cents is so worth it in my eyes. Now here's why it works so well, especially during the holidays. The card only costs you a few cents, but it gives your customer a personal experience that 99% of other business owners don't think about. That card will turn a random buyer into someone who remembers your brand. And when they scan that QR code and follow you or use that discount, that's when your lifetime value begins to grow. And even after the holidays, that same system works all year long. So basically, this is a simple, low-cost strategy that can really help you boost your Etsy sales. If you found this video helpful, please give my video a like, subscribe for more tips to help boost your Etsy sales, and I hope to see you in the next video. If you need help with your shop, if you feel like you're not getting as many sales as you should be, I offer shop reviews. I will provide the link in my description below. Sign up for a shop review so I can give you a full video recording on the things I see that you're doing right, the things I see that you need improvement on, and how you can improve on those things. Set your shop up for the new year. Let's get that money. Now, of course, there are more details to starting this business. So I've provided a free tutorial in my description below, a free course that's going to hold your hand step by step through this whole process so that you can get your shop up and running as soon as today.